In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use the Farm Workshop Safety Toolbox Talk. This tool will walk us through the activity, background, and best practices of farm workshop safety. The farm workshop can be the scene of many injuries. There is a wide variety of work tasks that happen in the shop, and there is the potential for many hazards. Many injuries associated with the workshop involve the hands or the eyes. Other injuries involve burns, cuts, abrasions, and sprains to various parts of the body. A tidy, organized shop is important to safe and effective work. A toolbox talk is a brief, informal talk or meeting about a specific topic that sets the tone for safer work practices and how to undertake these various tasks safely and properly. The Farm Workshop Safety Toolbox Talk, along with others, is available on CASA's website for download and use. These talks typically involve a 2 to 5 minute interactive discussion on something safety related and can be conducted at the beginning of each day or prior to a specific farm task in order to remind workers about the importance of safe work methods or procedures. Toolbox talks should be customized. Not every farm is the same, and every farm has different hazards. It's a good idea that everyone involved has a copy of the talk. When performing a toolbox talk, use real-life examples, be open to questions and concerns, and review the main points at the end of the talk. Jobs in the workshop often require personal protective equipment, or PPE. For each job, make sure to assess the hazards and wear the appropriate gear. PPE should be regularly inspected for damage and wear. Replace any PPE that is outdated, worn, or broken. A major cause of injury in the workshop is slips, trips, and falls. Something as simple as a spill or a tool out of place can cause a fall. A tidy workshop is a safer workshop. Work areas and walkways should be kept clean and clutter-free. Return tools and dispose of garbage in the proper containers. Additionally, doorways and exits should always be kept clear. Not only are these tripping hazards, but it could also result in injuries if the workshop must be evacuated in a hurry. Keeping tools and equipment stored properly and in good condition is an easy way to prevent cuts, scratches, and bruises. Tools and equipment should be kept clean and maintained. If you notice a broken tool or piece of equipment, address the problem. Additionally, guards and other safety devices on equipment should be maintained. If a tool or other part of equipment needs servicing, make sure to replace guards and other safety devices. Putting away and properly storing tools and other materials that have the potential to cause cuts and scrapes is an easy way to prevent injuries. There are plenty of substances that can cause fires and explosions and could potentially be toxic. Always use and store potentially hazardous substances in the manner as specified by the manufacturer. The workshop should be a smoke-free zone. Flammable and explosive materials make smoking inside the workshop hazardous. Safe work practices prevent unintentional injuries. Remember to use the proper tool or equipment for the job and make sure to use the tool or equipment as intended. Before starting any task, familiarize yourself with the tools and equipment, including safety features. And remember, always give full attention to the task at hand. Distractions can cause injuries. In all cases, fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and eye wash stations should be up to date, stocked, and readily available. Not all tasks should be performed in the workshop. If there is the possibility of carbon monoxide or other noxious fumes, take the work outdoors. Key points vary from workshop to workshop and operation to operation. Take a few moments to determine other key points not highlighted in the Workshop Safety Toolbox Talk. Toolbox talks are a great way to engage everyone working on the farm with the hazards and risks associated with the tasks and equipment. For more information on Toolbox Talks, visit casa-acsa.ca. That's casa-acsa.ca.